it's Miss Take back again for some numeracy. You're going to need some counters and a marker or a pencil and a piece of paper. We're going to pick a number, we're going to write it down, and we're going to write all the numbers that come before it. All right. The first number I want you to write at the very top of your page is 4. Here we go. 4. Beautiful. Now look at your counters. Can you put out 4 things? Try to pick the same color if you can. If not, no worries. There's 4. All right. In order to have 4, we need to have the number that comes before 4. Do you know what that number is? Did you say 3? You're amazing. Okay, put 3 underneath 4. All right, 3. Can you put a group of 3? There we go. So 3 and 4. In order to have 4 things, you need 3 things. Is that true? Can you see 3 things in your group of 4? Yeah. All right, what comes before 3? So we're counting backwards. Did you say 2? Amazing. So let's print the number 2. So let's find 2 things. So in order to have the number 3, we need to have 2 things. Look at your group of 3. Do you see the number 2 in there? I do. So many different ways, right? Yeah. And then what comes before 2? Did you say 1? You're amazing. So in order to have 2, we have to have 1. Do you see a group of 1? Group of 1? Yeah. So 1 is in 4. 3 is in 4. 2 is in 4. And 4 is in 4. All right. If you could make more of these cards with different numbers, have the little learners write what comes before and have them actually represent in groups and think about that. It's an amazing activity. Only go to 10 though, because if it's 10, it's going to be a long, long page and make sure you have a long line. But doing this is a good way for them to understand that all the numbers add 1, and they all are in each other. Okay, so have a beautiful time, and I will see you soon. Bye.